All right, so get this. YouTube Shorts, right? 5 trillion views.
5 trillion.
With the T.
Yeah.
Trillion. Like everyone on the planet watching 8 times over. Insane.
It's a lot of eyeballs.
Yeah, so, we had to do a deep dive into this whole world of how people are turning these like mini videos into money-making machines.
Yeah.
We've got videos from YouTube gurus. We've got articles breaking down all the strategies, like the whole 9 yards,
Absolutely.
And let me tell you, it's a lot to unpack.
Yeah, it's pretty overwhelming.
Yeah, that's why we've got our expert here to help us make sense of it all.
Yeah, happy to be here. It's fascinating because it really is the Wild West out there. You know, so much hype around shorts, but also a ton of confusion about how to actually, make bank.
Right. Yeah.
So we're going to cut through the noise today.
Yeah, give us the real deal.
Do the real deal.
All right, let's unpack this. So first things first, we got to talk about the YouTube Partner Program. This is like what a lot of people think of when it comes to YouTube money, right?
Yeah, for sure. It's like the classic route, right? Get those ads running on your videos. But for shorts, it's a bit of a 2-tiered system.
Okay, hold up tiers. Explain that to me like I'm 5.
Yeah, so think of it like a video game. Right.
Okay, I like where this is going.
First level, easier to reach. 500 subscribers. And either 3 million shorts views or 3,000 watch hours on regular videos in the past 90 days. And with that, you get access to, fan funding.
All right.
Like Super Thanks, where people can tip you directly on a video. You can start selling your own merch through YouTube shopping. Now the next level is where, the big guns come out. That's the full partner program. That's 1,000 subscribers. And either 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days or 4,000 watch hours on regular videos. And this unlocks that ad revenue sharing on your shorts.
Okay, so like leveling up to unlock the better loot.
Exactly.
Gotcha. But here's the thing. How much are we actually talking about with these shorts ads?
Right.
Is it like quit your day job money?
Yeah, that's the big question.
Yeah.
Well, hold your horses. YouTube takes a cut, right, of the ad revenue.
Right.
And there's this kind of complicated formula based on views and engagement. But the kicker is the payouts are often way lower than you'd expect.
Really?
Yeah, one creator, they went viral, 1.2 million views.
Wow.
And made like $30.
$30 for 1.2 million views.
1.2 million views.
Okay, so maybe relying solely on ad revenue from shorts isn't like the golden ticket.
Right. It's not the be-all and end-all.
But don't worry, we got you covered. Our sources actually dug up 11 other ways to make money from shorts.
Right.
We're talking like diversify your income streams, like a boss.
That's right. You got to think outside the ad box.
Right.
And these other methods, honestly, are where things get interesting.
All right, hit me with number 1.
All right, so number 1 is affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting other people's products and getting a commission, right? When someone buys through your unique link.
Gotcha.
You see this all the time, like beauty gurus recommending makeup, tech reviewers showcasing gadgets.
Oh, like dropping an Amazon link in your short description for like that awesome mic you're using.
Exactly. And here's a juicy tidbit, like YouTube is actually testing its own affiliate program now.
What?
Yeah, it's still in beta mode, just for select U.S. creators with over 20,000 subscribers. But it could be a game changer. Imagine like recommending products directly within your shorts.
Whoa, talk about streamlined shopping.
Right.
Okay, method number 2, sponsorships. This is where like brands come knocking, right?
Right on. Influencer marketing is like booming.
Yeah.
And shorts are like prime real estate.
Yeah.
But it's not just about, slapping a logo on screen. It has to be authentic. It has to be integrated like creatively into your content.
Right.
One creator even got a sponsorship from a radiator company.
A radiator company.
Talk about thinking outside the box, right?
And with shorts being so short, you really have to nail that seamless integration. You don't want it to feel forced.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, number 3. Selling your own products.
Yeah.
This is where you take control, right?
Absolutely. You're the boss, the creator, the entrepreneur. And digital products is a perfect match for shorts. Think
correct.
like mini courses, tutorials, templates, things you make once and can sell repeatedly.
Right.
Platforms like The Leap make it like super easy to create and sell this type of content.
It's like having your own little like digital empire.
Right.
I love it. Okay, so what's next? Method number 4.
Patreon and crowdfunding platforms.
Okay, yeah.
It's all about those, die-hard fans, the ones who want to directly support your work. They become your patrons,
Yeah.
They give you monthly subscriptions.
Ooh, like the Tim Dillon Show.
Yes.
They're raking in serious cash on Patreon.
Yeah.
Like over $100,000 a month.
It's incredible. And YouTube has their own version, right? Channel memberships,
Oh, yeah.
which offers perks like exclusive content, badges, that kind of stuff.
So you have options.
So you got options.
Okay, so we're up to method number 5. What's next?
Merchandise. This one's classic, right? T-shirts, mugs, hats, anything your fans would love to like rep.
Yeah, it's all about building that community, that connection with your audience.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Merch is a great way to take that fandom to the next level.
Okay, we've covered 5 methods so far. What's number 6 on our list of ways to make money from shorts?
Okay, so we talked about the partner program already, but it's worth highlighting specifically the ad revenue sharing piece as its own method.
Right.
It's the one everyone's chasing, but as we discussed, the payouts can be pretty underwhelming for shorts.
Yeah, those low payouts are a real bummer. All right, so method number 7, tell me something that'll cheer me up.
Okay, how about this? YouTube fan funding.
Okay.
It's all about those super fans who want to show extra love.
Oh, like those super thanks we touched on earlier. Exactly. Viewers can tip you directly on your shorts. It's a great way to monetize even if you're not in the full partner program yet.
So you don't need millions of views to start seeing some cash flow from your shorts.
I like it.
Okay, what about method number 8?
YouTube shopping.
Okay.
This one's all about turning your shorts into mini shopping sprees.
Wait, explain this one. How does it work?
So you can tag products directly in your shorts, making it super easy for viewers to buy what they see. Fashion hauls, tech reviews, even showcasing your favorite kitchen gadgets. It's like having your own little shoppable storefront.
Okay, that's pretty slick. So if you're already creating content, featuring products, this is a no-brainer way to monetize. All right, method number 9, hit me.
YouTube Premium. This one's a bit indirect,
Okay.
but still worth mentioning.
How so?
So when YouTube Premium subscribers watch your shorts, a portion of their subscription fee goes into a pool that's distributed to creators based on watch time.
Oh.
So the more premium viewers you have, the bigger slice of the pie you get.
Okay, so even if viewers aren't directly buying anything from your shorts, you can still earn from their eyeballs if they're premium subscribers.
Right.
Interesting. All right, we're on the home stretch now. What's method number 10?
Partnering with a brand.
Right.
This one's all about leveraging those relationships.
Like a bigger, more official version of sponsorship.
Exactly. It could be a long-term collaboration where you create a series of shorts for a brand,
You're right.
or maybe you team up to launch a product or campaign. It's about taking your influencer status to the next level.
Okay, so think big picture collabs, not just one-off sponsored segments.
Right.
All right, last but not least, method number 11, lay it on me.
Creating UGC for brands.
The UGC, okay.
This one's all about tapping into the power of user-generated content.
Refresh my memory. What's UGC again?
It's basically content created by everyday users, not the brands themselves. Think unboxing videos, product reviews, tutorials, that kind of stuff.
Oh, right, like those TikToks where people are trying out a new skincare product or showing off their latest haul.
Exactly. Brands are always looking for fresh, authentic content, and they're willing to pay creators to make it. So you can leverage your short skills to create UGC for brands, either through direct partnerships or by responding to briefs on platforms like Billow.
So you could get paid to make shorts, even if they're not technically for your own channel.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
It's a great way to diversify your income and get your foot in the door with some big brands.
All right, we've covered all 11 methods.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot to take in. But knowing the methods is just the first step, right? We need to talk strategy. What are some of the best practices for actually making money with YouTube Shorts?
Yeah, you got it. So the first one is a biggie. Consistency is key. You got to be posting regularly, ideally daily, to keep that algorithm happy and stay top of mind with your audience.
It's like that saying, out of sight, out of mind, right?
Exactly.
If you're not showing up consistently, people will forget about you.
Yeah, we saw an example in our research of a channel that was getting millions of shorts views, but their revenue is still pretty low because they were only posting sporadically.
So even if you go viral with a few shorts, that's not a guarantee of long-term success. You got to keep the momentum going. What else?
Those thumbnails and titles, Those are your secret weapons. They're
Okay.
the first thing people see, so they need to be eye-catching, click-worthy.
It's all about standing out in that endless scroll of shorts.
Right.
Right.
Exactly. Think bold visuals, catchy phrases, maybe even a little bit of like mystery or intrigue, and don't be afraid to experiment to see what works best for your audience.
Speaking of your audience, what about analytics? Are those important?
Yes, absolutely. YouTube Analytics is your best friend.
Oh, yeah.
It's like having a backstage pass to your shorts performance.
So what should we be paying attention to?
Views, likes, comments are all like good indicators, but the real gold is the viewed versus swiped away metric.
All right, that tells you how engaging your content really is. If people are swiping away after a few seconds, you know you need to step up your game.
Exactly. Pay attention to what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly.
So it's not just about creating content, it's about constantly analyzing and refining.
You got it.
And one last thing, don't be afraid to try out different types of shorts, experiment with different formats, styles, niches. You never know what might take off.
Absolutely. The beauty of shorts is that they're, quick and easy to make, so you can really play around and find your sweet spot.
Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground here. We talked about all 11 methods for monetizing your shorts, plus some killer strategies for success. But I know our listener out there probably still has some questions.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So let's dive into some FAQs about YouTube Shorts monetization. Fire away.
All right, first up, can you make money from YouTube Shorts without 1,000 subscribers?
Yeah, that's the magic number everyone talks about, right? Is it a deal breaker?
Not necessarily. Remember those 2 tiers we talked about earlier?
Right.
To get into the full partner program with that ad revenue sharing, you do need those 1,000 subscribers and either the 10 million Shorts views or 4,000 watch hours. But you can still access features like super thanks, channel memberships, and even sell your own products through YouTube shopping with just 500 subscribers.
So you can still start earning from your shorts, even with a smaller audience. That's good news. What's another question people often ask?
How much does YouTube actually pay for 1,000 views on Shorts? And this is the question, everyone wants answered.
Oh, yeah?
But the truth is, it's a bit of a moving target.
Yeah, I bet there's no easy answer to that one.
Exactly. It depends on a bunch of factors, like your audience's location, the types of ads shown, overall ad spending. But generally speaking, we're talking cents, not dollars, per 1,000 views.
Okay, so maybe don't quit your day job just yet based on Shorts ad revenue alone.
Right. It's important to manage expectations and remember that those, other monetization methods we talked about are often more lucrative.
Good point. What's another burning question on everyone's mind?
Can you use copyrighted music in your YouTube Shorts and still monetize them?
Oh, good question.
This one's a biggie, and the answer is a resounding no.
Oh.
Using copyrighted music without proper licensing can get you in trouble, like copyright strikes, demonetization, even having your video taken down.
So stick to royalty-free music. Or get permission from the copyright holder.
Absolutely. There are tons of resources out there for finding royalty-free music, and even platforms that cater specifically to YouTubers, like Epidemic Sound.
Great tip.
Oh.
Okay, what about tracking performance? How do you know if your shorts are actually doing well?
YouTube Analytics is your go-to for that.
Right.
It's packed with data about your shorts performance, views, watch time, audience demographics, the whole shebang.
Yeah. So get cozy with those analytics. They hold the key to understanding what's working and what's not.
Exactly. All right, let's tackle one more question before we wrap things up. People always want to know about the best niches for making money with shorts.
Ah, yes, the million-dollar niche question. What are some hot tips?
So the best niche for you will depend on your interests, skills, and target audience. But I always say, think about those 11 monetization methods we talked about. Which niches naturally align with multiple methods.
You want to be in a space where you can stack those income streams.
Exactly. For example, tech reviewers have affiliate marketing, sponsorships, maybe even selling courses. Fitness influencers can promote workout programs, supplements, merch. It's about finding those sweet spots.
I love that. Okay, so we've answered some FAQs. We've covered all those monetization methods. We've talked strategy. I think our listener is ready to conquer the world of YouTube Shorts. Any final words of wisdom before we sign off?
Just remember, it's not just about chasing those Shorts ad dollars. It's about building a brand, a community, a sustainable business. Use Shorts as a launch pad, a way to showcase your talent and connect with your audience. The possibilities are truly endless.
I love that. So to our listener out there, go forth and create those awesome YouTube Shorts. Remember to have fun, experiment, and don't be afraid to think outside the box.
Yeah.
And who knows, maybe we'll see you raking in the dough from your, mini video empire.
Until next time, keep on creating.